Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. Thank you to all my subscribers and returnees. Thank you so much. Please keep watching, sharing, and hit the like button. Okay, now today, as I said, the video before this, I was gonna make this blouse and I haven't decided whether the pant or the shorts. I'm gonna do the pants, but we're gonna do the blouse first. Now I've changed which blouse to do. I decided to do this one, and I think it's style B. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one, and then I'm gonna do the purse, that one too. I've cut everything already, and I'll turn the camera around and then I'll show you what I've done so far. Okay, so hold on. Thank you. Hello, I'm back. Okay, I've cut all the pieces. As I said, this is the front. Let me put it aside. And this is the back. The front piece is two pieces from the under the bust line down, and then this is the bodice part. I've sewn the belt. I've sewn the tie for the shoulder, and instead of me finishing the end close, I tie the ends, something different instead of the same old. So I tie the ends. Okay, and what is this? This is the bias for the one sleeve and the other sleeve too. I've stitched the facing, both the front and the back. Where is it? This is the back and that's the front. Okay, now, and these are the pattern pieces. The one sleeve shoulder, I cut two. The pattern calls for one piece. I cut two because I wanted to finish the ends very neatly. So where is it? I had it a few minutes ago here. Oh, here it is. So see, I finish it and then I understitch. I don't know if you can see it. I understitch. So I finish it neatly. Now, these are the pieces for the purse. Okay. I'm going to adjust myself to the, what do you call it? To the machine, and then we're going to sew the shoulder, the dart, and then we'll continue from there. Maybe we'll finish the blouse today. And then next week, we'll start the purse, which is the one with the bow. Okay, and the pants. I haven't even cut the pants yet, so we'll concentrate on that next week. So hold on, I'm gonna, as I said, adjust myself at the machine. I will take you to it. So hold on. Thank you. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, that's the front. I've sewn the dart and press it towards the center front. Okay, I'm gonna join the bottom part of it with 258. Let me see if I have everything. Okay, I made a boo-boo. That's the right side, that's the wrong side. Also 5/8. Okay, let me see. Oops. There we go. That's much better. Almost so over the pin. Now I'm gonna sew the shoulders, but you don't have to watch me do this. And then I'll set this and press it towards the bodice part. So I'll be right back. Hold on. Hello there, I'm back. I've done most of the sewing. I've done the seam, side seam. Anyway, I'll talk to you more about it when I go to the table. But I'm gonna stitch the sleeve. Okay, the cap sleeve on the right hand side, and then put the binding with you. Okay, so let's go. Let's see if I can get it under the free arm. Making sure my seam is open at the shoulders, or I should say at the shoulder. Okay, let's stitch the binding now. Also 5/8. Okay, I let it pass the side seam a bit. Now let's go. There's a tail of my If I don't hold it, it's gonna suck it in. Okay, I'm gonna trim the seam allowance down, and then I'll flip the sleeve out of the way and then stitch the band down. Okay, so I'll be back. Woo, 12 minutes. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, this is the face. I should say the front facing. Don't forget to clip the corners, okay? There, there, and there. And then trim your clips the back. Now, this is how the bind is done, and then the tie on the left hand side, and then one sleeve. Okay, there, that's the wrong side. Now let me flip it to the right side so you can see how it looks like. That I can express myself good. Okay, there. And this has a side split on the right hand side. Okay, so let me tie the belt. Oh, by the way, this is 8.5, size 8.5. There we go. And then I'm going to tie the shoulder tie. The instructions tells you everything you're supposed to do. How to stitch the left hand tie. So if you have the same pattern, then you should be okay. And the next week, as I said, we'll start the pant and the purse. So this is it. Now let me bring the camera up and then we can take a good look at it. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so this is it. Okay. There we go. So we'll finish the whole blouse. Again. There's a beautiful blouse. Again, this is the one that I sewed, the B. I sewed this. Instead of that, I did this. Okay, so this is the end of the video, and we'll continue with the pant and the purse as I keep repeating. So happy sewing, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now. See ya.